Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I am Michelle Dagamat. I am finished my nursing. I am certified nursing aide.
How old are you?
I am 29 years old.
Are you single or married?
I am single mother. But I have one children.
Okay, so have you ever experienced working as a domestic helper before?
Yes.
In what country?
Lebanon.
Okay, so since you have experience, what is your main duties?
I am caring about the child. I am cleaning the house. How to care the animals, and then how to cook.
Okay, so since you have experience taking care of newborn baby, how can you take good care of the newborn baby?
The baby, if she is cried, I will feed him. I will give a bath. I will give everything what he wants.
Okay, so are you giving also the vitamins?
Yes.
Okay. What is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my parents. I want to help our family.
Okay. So, finally, can you give the message to your future employer?
Good day, madam. I hope you like me, and I will promise for you, I will do everything whatever you want, and I will promise I will take care of your baby if you have.
Okay, so can you promise to be a good and loyal to your future employer?
Yes, I want.
Okay, so can you promise also to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, so hopefully that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. Before we end this interview, kindly show your very best smile.
Thank you very much.